A team of Imphal East Commando recovered arms and ammunition buried near a crematorium in 𝐂𝐔𝐆𝐄 area during an operation this morning. According to reports, the team, under the command of Additional SP Operations Imphal East 𝐂𝐂𝐕𝐄𝐃, conducted house-to-house search of about 70 houses and verified the occupants of the houses during the operation at 𝗂𝐔𝐵𝐿𝐴, Imphal East and its surrounding areas. During the operation, one SMG carbine with 3 empty magazines, one .36 hand grenade with ring, one tube launching, 16 INSAS LMG magazines, 4 INSAS rifle gas cylinder capes, 7 7.62 SLR ammunition charger clips, 63 of 9mm revolver ammunitions, 3 empty ammunition carrier boxes and 6 anti-riot shells were recovered. The recovered items have been handed over to Haigang Police Station for further legal formalities, the report said.